the Bible still around after 2000 years? Many of you teach engineering, management, pharmacy, nursing, school. How old are the books that you teach? Every 5 years, university changes the books. So you're teaching something to a generation which gets outdated in 5 years? School books are changed every 5 to 10 years. Your management theories change every 5 to 10 years, and we are changing those books. The Bible is around for thousands of years. Truth is in the Bible. It has got facts. It does not have theories which keep changing every now and then, like the lessons that we are teaching our children with the books that we have in our libraries and in the research centers. All great spiritual works are around for thousands of years because the knowledge that is there is truth. They are facts. They don't change. Because like the laws of physics, like the laws of chemistry, there is something called the laws of the universe, which is all incorporated inside the Bible. And that is what the great teacher Jesus taught his disciples when he was alive. When we throw a ball up, it comes down. Why? Law of gravity, Newton's law, whatever we call it. But if you throw the ball up, it will come down, right? Whether we like it, whether we don't like it, whether we believe it, whether we think it's blind belief, it's a fact. It will never change. It will not change like the textbooks that you have with you. In chemistry, you have laws of chemistry. If you take hydrogen and oxygen and put them together, you get water. Whether we like it, whether we don't like it, whether we believe it or not. These things we teach our children, we teach these things to our students in school and college. There's something called the laws of the universe which we don't teach. Your life runs with the laws of the universe, but we don't teach that. There are some laws of the universe which keeps the sun rising every day and sun setting every night. Does it change? Have we got a doubt? Because those laws, like the laws of physics, if you throw the ball up, it will come down. There are laws like that, which makes the sun rise and which makes the sun set every day. Which makes the earth go around the sun, which makes the planet goes around the sun. These are all run by certain laws called the laws of the universe. What has it got to do with Christmas? Jesus was teaching the laws of the universe to the people through his Bible and through his messages. And one of the laws of the universe says that whatever you want to be, whatever you want to have in your life is in your hand. It is what you think in your mind that you are going to get. When our president, ex-president Dr. Abdul Kalam came to our campus, courtesy of Pharmacy College, he said to our children, think big. What it means is that if you are able to think of something that you want and put your heart and soul into it, then you will achieve it. Abdul Kalam was a teacher. So you teachers have got the opportunity to become the president of the country.